And staying with infrastructure-related matters, there is a desperate appeal this evening from residents of Easington in St. Thomas for the authorities to speed up the process to rebuild the Easington Bridge. It comes after heavy rainfall on Saturday resulted in the temporary bypass in the Yallahs River being rendered impassable. And despite the river swelling on both sides, several residents, in a desperate effort to get home, braved the water in their vehicles.
Yes, right now, two people dead off of the Easington Bridge up here right now, and them create a bypass, and right now the bypass is impossible. See me just have forced through it to come from the farm there. It not stay good. So I appeal right now to the government right now. You know see it, the necessary people are more responsible. They have to come and fix it, you know see it. Because I have to go through and guy farm and many other people depend on this stuff.
A long time I tell them say it want more stuff on that in the bridge. It wants some more stuff to lift it up higher, because you see when the river come down, the water come over it, so they want more stuff. That's it. When the river come, it's still not wash it there. Right now the stone them are moving, because last time come to me see the whole drop down there. I know it's not come for the road again. You know.
The Easington Bridge has been officially closed to vehicular traffic and now to pedestrians due to its current state. Residents say they are caught between the proverbial rock and a hard place. The bridge is slated for rehabilitation under the Accelerated Bridge Program, but residents are appealing for the process to be expedited.
And this road don't cut across the river now. It needs some more stuff to pull it up, brother. Some more big stone, pack and pull it to the level of this gully has to go down. So it needs some more big stone and some more sand that the water soak on the ground.
Weeks ago, an elderly, partially blind resident died in the area after falling through a hole in the bridge.